Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were martyred by the troops during a cordon and search operation in Nowshera area of Rajouri district. The all-parties Hurriyat conference leadership in a statement issued in Srinagar denounced killing and arrests of Kashmiri youth and torture on civilian population by the Indian troops during military operations and house raids in the territory. The leadership said the outside world could not realize the actual scale of human rights violations by Indian forces personnel due to complete media gag imposed by the Modi regime in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, a video making rounds on social media shows Indian army troops subjecting the Kashmiri people to brutal torture on a street in Srinagar in broad daylight. In the video, two Indian soldiers can be seen pulling out the driver of a vehicle. As a citizen comes to the rescue of the driver, a third soldier rushes in and hits the citizen on the head with a big stick. Police confirmed that the incident took place at Nogam Chowk the other day. One more Indian army man succumbed to his injuries at a military hospital in Udhampur district. The soldier was injured in an attack on an army camp in Rajouri on August 11, in which 4 soldiers were killed. With his death, the toll has gone up to 5. High Court Bar Association in Jammu gave a call for shutdown across the region on August 29 in protest against apathy of the Modi regime and its proxy towards the sufferings of the general masses as well legal fraternity in the territory. The announcement in this regard was made by the Bar Association Jammu President M.K. Bharadwaj at a press conference in the city. Dead body of a student was recovered under mysterious circumstances from a field in Mender area of Poonch district. Loss of the life of Kashmiri people, mostly youth, in such incidents has increased manifold since the abrogation of special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by the Modi regime in August 2019. 4 earthquakes jolted occupied Jammu region in less than 8 hours today. However, no loss of life or damage to property was reported.